I'm going to show you how to make a 5/16 inch hole with a 1/2 inch countersunk pocket in aluminum. The first thing we want to do is take our 5/16 inch drill bit and drill all the way through the stock. Okay, so kind of excuse the little bitty drill press I'm using here. This is a little 10-inch desktop drill press that's mounted on a small metal stand that actually has rubber casters. So it wiggles a little bit, but it cuts pretty good. I've set the depth stop on my drill press to be about 1/8 inch from the table. And I'm going to drill a 1/2 inch hole down until I reach that stop. The drill bit leaves kind of a rounded bottom, so we're going to take a 1/2 inch Forstner bit and flatten it out a little bit, and that works pretty good since we're only taking a little bit off the bottom of the hole. And that's how I create a pocket in aluminum. These are actually a couple Z-carriage risers for the CNC construction set. So be sure to check out the Kronos Robotics website for more information on making these aluminum adapter plates and mounts for the CNC construction set. Until next time.